Well, hello folks. Good afternoon, and I've got a little recipe I want to try here that I got off the internet. Looks like something to be right down our alley. So we'll get started with it. It's a butter chicken and rice recipe. It calls for 2 cups of rice, 8-ounce portobello mushroom, some beef broth, French onion soup, about 8 pieces of a stick of butter, Parmesan cheese, 2 pounds of skinless chicken thighs, and then salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and paprika. Supposed to be pretty simple. Just throw it all together and throw it in the oven. Cook it about an hour. But it just looked like something we might like, so I thought we'd try it. But I've got right here, I've got the rice. And we'll put the rice in there, just like it said. Now I think it says just dump it all in there. Yep. And stir it. So we got, here's the broth, the beef. 2 of those. And the French onion soup mix. Get that in there. Get all that onion out of there. We love onions. Now stir it. Stir it all up. Get it incorporated. I know one thing, it sure do smell good, and it's not even been in the oven yet. Got that spread out pretty good.
Anything with onion soup and consomme in it's got to be good.
Oh yeah, that's exactly right. So we know it's going to be good. Top with butter pieces and 3/4 cup cheese. Oh, it says put the portobello mushrooms now, so we'll get all them in there. We love mushrooms. So let me get them scattered out here. Man, that smells good. Now, a stick of butter, and I got it cut into tabs. And then 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, which will be, this is a cup, so it's going to save a little for the top after it's cooked, I think. Put a little right there. Get some of this out of our way. We'll get the bird out. That looks gonna look real good right there. This is my spices: salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt. I don't know if I said salt. All right, here's this chicken. This is about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And here we're going to season these up real good. Turn them over. That's gonna cover them better than I thought it would. Rinse my hands here. All right. Says to put the chicken in here on top. Pretty big size thigh right there. This is all got to go in here somehow. Oh yeah, it's gonna be perfect. Now we got to cover it with aluminum foil. Tightly. Then we're going to cook it, put it in the oven, and we'll cook it for 55 minutes, 55 minutes, 60 minutes. We'll take it out and check it, and if it's done, we'll put it back in there and brown off the chicken, which, you know, take it another 10 minutes maybe. So we're going to get it in the oven right here. And then we'll let this cook, and we'll be back shortly. All right, folks, I'm back. It's been in there about 55 minutes. Let's check it and see if it's done. Give me some. We'll look at it here. Let's get it out and see what it looks like. It's not done, but we got to put it back in the oven, but with the top off of it. Woo, man. Can y'all see that? Let me get this camera over here where you can see for sure what it is. Look at that. But like I say, now it's got to go back. Got to go back in the oven now for probably 10, 15 minutes till everything browns off. So I'm going to ease it back in here. Let's see, I think I was supposed to put that cheese on there. I better do that. That's what it is with us old people. Can't remember that. But we're glad to be here. get back in here with it. What do you think about that, boy?
That looks good.
Yes.
You see it, Mama?
All right. We're gonna let it cook a little while. Let it cook a little while longer, and we'll get it out of here, and we'll get it in here and get us a plate made or a bowl. Probably, well, no plate, I guess. Be good. But anyway, y'all hang with me just a few more minutes. We'll get this thing done. I know it's gonna be good. It smells like a steakhouse or something. All righty, folks. Let's get this thing out of the oven and check it out. I believe it's done. Or I hope it's done because it's starving me to death. Yes, sir. Now that right there looks pretty awesome. Let me get y'all over here to look at this. Now, if that ain't something pretty to look at, I don't know what is. Y'all smell that? Oh, y'all can't smell it. That's a good thing because you'd be starved to death right now. We're going to have to let it cool for a few minutes before we can get something up in a plate. I want to tell y'all how much I appreciate y'all watching my videos. I feel like I'm getting a little better, but I don't know. If I am, y'all comment, good or bad. I got a tough hide. I got a long time ago got a tough hide, so ain't much bothers me. But I do appreciate all of you. I really appreciate these comments I've been getting. Y'all, I hope we've been getting back fast enough on them. Sometimes we get out doing something and we forget to check, see if we got any. But we appreciate y'all watching. I got a video coming out this Saturday. I believe it is going to be Glenda by herself. Well, you hear old Grumpy me here once in a while, but most of us by her fixing some flowers that went out on the front out there, artificial flowers. Maybe I think y'all will enjoy that. She's going to try to do more. She's just been busy. She's got an eBay account, and she's been wide open in that here lately, so she ain't had much time to fool with me. Let me get a plate and get them in here. Okay, folks, let's dip us up a plate of this. We'll see what man.
Boy, look at that rice.
What do you think about that, son? Look pretty good, don't it?
Yeah.
You might have me 2 pieces of chicken.
Did you put mushrooms in there, Daddy?
Yes, sir, I did.
Ooh.
Let me get you a plate. That chicken now is not supposed to have no bones in it, but you know, as usual, you gotta always
check.
It ought to be good and tender.
Yeah. I'll tell everybody at work about this.
Yeah. Here, now you be sure you say your blessing.
Oh, I will.
All right, folks, let me try this out right here. I'm telling you, it's got to be good because it smells so good.
Oh, it smells good too.
But as usual, it's hot, real hot. Oh my word. That is good. It's real good. That chicken's awesome. folks. Y'all try that. It's real simple. You got a few ingredients you have to, get for it. It's called butter chicken and rice. I think it was something big on TikTok. I don't do TikTok, but I heard somebody say something about TikTok. But anyway, y'all give it a try. You'll like it if you hadn't already. I may be late for the boat, so y'all may have done had all this and everything. But anyway, as usual, God loves you, we love you, and we'll see you on the next one later.